Yo, Grand Rising, everybody. Hey, you not only want to be mentally strong, but you want to be physically strong too. Keep the heart healthy. So get out there, get your exercise in, and make an impact on your life, right? I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the funding process, right? This is a service that we provide to all of our clients, especially our mentees. The credit repair, credit optimization, and access to business funding. We do give you guys the blueprint on how to do the funding process within the credit repair course. If you choose to not go that route and you want us to do the funding for you, there is a fee. There's a 10% service fee, right? That's on the personal and business side. The reason is because we have those relationships. We have built those relationships with the affiliates, and we can get you guaranteed approvals. And you're gonna get the highest limits when you use our service and leverage our connections. That's what we've built. So there's a 10% fee behind that because it's guaranteed. So for example, our Chase rep, right? If I send you to Chase and get you 50, you're gonna have to pay our company 10% for leveraging our affiliates, our connections. They do the process for you. It's 10%. That's essentially saying like, hey, I'm gonna go put $5,000 on a blackjack table and get 45K in return guaranteed. I'm pretty sure everybody would do that, right? So that's kind of how our system works. We charge 10%. We run the funding service for you, and we get you guaranteed approvals with all of our affiliates and all of our connections at multiple banks with multiple lenders. So it's a guaranteed process. That's why there's a 10% service fee when it comes to the funding service itself, right? We know how to do it. We've already done these things. We have the blueprint, follow the blueprint, right? But if you guys choose not to utilize us for the funding process and you want to do it on your own, it's totally fine. You have the materials within the classroom to do it on your own and to do it yourself. All I'm saying is you can easily drop the ball. You can easily fumble the bag by not doing the right things, putting the wrong information on applications, going to the wrong banks, going to the wrong lenders, getting super low limit. There's a lot of things that you can mess up on the funding process. So that's why we provide the done for you service for us to do the funding service for you. It is not mandatory. You don't have to do it. We suggest doing it so you can have the best results. Like I said, it's a 10% service fee. So of the funding that we get you, it's 10%, and you pay it from the funding. You don't have to use your own money. You're leveraging the bank's money. You're gonna generate revenue with your business or your job or whatever you decide to do. So don't look at it as a numbers thing. Look at it as like, this is the connection. This is the play. That's the blueprint. You know, if you follow it, you're gonna be successful. And I can guarantee success if you follow every step that we give you. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a little bit about that. I didn't want there to be any confusion. You do have the blueprint to do it on your own in the course materials. If you mess up, there's nothing we can do about that. But if you know how to do it and you learn from the materials how to do it properly, you can do it on your own. If you wanna just let us knock it out for you, that way you don't have to worry about any hiccups or mistakes, it's 10%. And we'll definitely get you the max amount that we can on the personal and business side. Yeah, so hope everybody has a blessed day. Stay great, keep being successful, and let me know if you have any questions. And we definitely will get you squared away, get those questions answered. All right, have a good one.